Fourth edition of Future Investment Initiative Forum. The Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare addressed the fourth edition of Future Investment Initiative Forum through a video conferencing. The aim of the forum, hosted in the Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, was to find solutions on how business and the governments can expand access to the train healthcare workers, remove regularity barriers, and encourage investment in advanced health technologies. It was hosted in the Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Future Investment Initiative Forum. The FIA, Future Investment Initiative Forum, is widely described as Davos in the desert, that is in Saudi Arabia's flagship investment conference. The informal name derives from the World Economic Forum's annual meeting that is held in Davos, Switzerland, where world leaders discuss agendas for pressing international issues. FIS, that is Future Investment Initiative Forum, Future Investment Initiative, was announced in September 2017 by Public Investment Fund, Saudi Arabia's main sovereign wealth fund in Saudi Arabia's main sovereign wealth fund in the context of Saudi Vision 2030 Economic and Social Reform Program. Saudi Vision 2030 Economic and Social Reform Program. See, the India highlighted five big trends emerging due to the COVID-19 and impact globally business. Impact of technology and innovation, importance of infrastructure for global growth, changes coming in human resource and future of work, and compassion for environment, business-friendly governance with focus on whole of society and government approach, that is environment and also business-friendly governance with focus on whole of the society and government approach. India's initiatives highlighted indigenous innovations to digital health tools for COVID-19, Arogya Setu app, Bluetooth tracking technology is used to analyze and locate COVID hotspots and alert authorities in advance. For strengthening the infrastructure, India has launched a special economic and comprehensive package of nearly 2 million crore, equivalent to 10% of India's GDP, under Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. For human resource, India has developed a comprehensive vision on developing skilled human resources. For example, recently the government has launched the Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana (PMKVY 3.0). Environmental steps have taken by India to mitigate the climate change. Example, National Action Plan on Climate Change, and move towards a cleaner fuel consumption. Example, Ujjwala Yojana. And for business-friendly governance, India is developing a comprehensive ecosystem for research and development to tech entrepreneurship. Emphasis healthcare. India demonstrated world's largest vaccination campaign launched by it recently with the two COVID-19 vaccines, Covishield and Covaxin. Serum Institute of India will deliver Covishield to Saudi Arabia. Preferred uh, Referred to the development of the COVID digital platform, the Ayushman Bharat scheme, the world's largest government health program, which was shining examples of the use of technology in the integration of public health communities.